Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mawako Sandy Home Recipe. Sine di kan a utwe me video. Mema we subscribe. Na wa share. Na we mia notification bell no. Send me the video bia beto wa sabeka. And be pepper mix for all your soup and stew. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Oko description box na ingredients now. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. With tomatoes, ebegu u saucepan obeye wom. With pepper, garlic, ginger aka ho. Bell pepper. Spring onion. One mixing it together. We another kosi jar so anwa. Tembia wo ho anu wanu mu se de ase enhye. Na ni na so ba bi nyi. Aha no aben na watwe. Na wakwa blend. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. O blend it repair. Now there's kosi jar so. Now wasan nuemu. Then bia o ho anu onum se de ase de enhye. Afe na eja no walo ni kakra. Aha na ese wo de salt kan ba ama me video nti wo ya ese wo de salt e de eka ho. Aha no aye ready no amanaju we no kohwe gu bottle a wo be store den ewu mu. Pipa cho se ndi kan ahwe me video a memma we subscribe na wa share no emia notification bell no send me the video bia beto a won beka wo de gu bottle ma we na wo de oil agu ani na we just si ho no mo be se ukata so ye pa we betimi asi wo for more than 1 year I say. This our pepper mess. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.